Hello everybody, how you doing today? We got a bit of an unboxing, and this comes all the way from Canada. So let's get right to it and see what we got. Not quite efficient today with opening this up, am I? Okay, let's see. A box inside of a box. Let's see what's inside this box. Oh, look at that. It's a mug from Trackside Mike. Check that out. It's got a lid too. It's metal. Stainless steel inside. Yeah. Nice mug. Sweet. Everybody, you guys, go check out Trackside Mike's channel. He's got really cool stuff. Good content. Does a live stream every Monday. Him and Dundas. So, yeah, check that out. Ain't that something? Awesome, man. I really appreciate that. Really nice. He also sent a note basically saying, hello, train man. Thank you very much. Hope you like the mug. And keep it on the tracks. Absolutely. I do like this mug. Really nice. Really nice. Top notch. Thanks a lot. Appreciate that, Mike. And yeah, keep it on the tracks. Keep it on the tracks.